In this video, I'm going to show you how to start numbering pages from a specific page in your Word doc. So here I have 5 pages, as you can see, and let's say we wanted to start numbering those pages from page 3. So first you have to just put your cursor in the beginning of that page, and then go to the Layout tab, Breaks, Next Page, and now you want to just check that you made this correctly. There should be a break in this previous page, so go to Home, enable this, and then you'll see Section Break Next Page. You can disable it now, and now just keep your cursor here, and then go to Insert, Page Number, and now just choose what type of page numbering you want. I'm going to choose this, and as you can see, it starts numbering from this page, 1, 2, 3, but it also numbers in this page as well. So what you want to do is make sure you're in this section. Just double click here, double click on this number, and then disable this link to previous. And now go to these first 2 pages, and now just select one of them, and then go to Insert, Page Number, Remove Page Numbers. And now, as you can see, the numbering stays in these pages, but is removed from the other. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.